Hello and welcome back, friends. Welcome to another video tutorial from Shomu's Biology. And again, in this video we want to talk about mnemonics, the easy way to remember one simple topic. And what is it? Let's see. So we want to know the cell cycle phases mnemonics, the best way to remember all the cell cycle phases for mitosis cell division as well as meiosis cell division. So let's begin with the idea. The only thing that you need to remember to grasp the idea of this cell cycle phases is the tea and milk, because I love this as a breakfast. It's a fantastic breakfast. And second thing is a zebra. Although very weird to connect that tea and milk and a zebra, but you will see how exactly we'll connect these two things to get the answer of cell cycle phases. So the sentence that you need to remember, the first one I say, I prefer milk and tea gives me some good morning start. It's a very relevant thing, because milk and tea is obviously something to give a refreshing morning start. That's fine, that's good. Now why this thing is important? Because let me explain the first sentence. It carries all the information regarding the mitosis phases, the sequential phases of cell cycle, where I stands for interphase, and then P stands for prophase, M of milk stands for metaphase, A stands for anaphase, and T stands for telophase. So these are the steps: interphase, metaphase, interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and then ultimately cytokinesis, which I haven't mentioned yet. So cytokinesis, the division of the cell, cytosol. That's all. That's the very first thing that you need to understand. The second thing is with the second sentence here, gives me some good morning start. And remember again, G, S, G and M are highlighted red. The reason, because we want to talk about this interphase in details, because interphase carries a maximum time duration of a cell cycle. So interphase can be further divided into these 4 different stages, which you can easily see with the circular drawings in your book. G1, that's from this, gives G for G1 stage, also known as a growth phase 1, where they start synthesizing RNA as well as they're making proteins. Then the second stage is S, synthesis, DNA synthesis stage, or only synthesis stage. This is where the DNA duplication, that means the DNA replication, continues. Then another G, that is G2, growth and preparation of mitosis. So this is the phase where they produce all the enzymes that they need for the process of cell cytokinesis and proper stages of cell division. Okay, so all the proteins and RNA they need for the cell division, mitosis especially. Then M phase is the mitotic phase, where exactly the cell divides. That means the chromosomes are arranged in the metaphase plate and they are separated, and all the process is done. So again, gives me some good morning start, goes with interphases, and all the stages of interphases is clearly explained. Now one thing still remains, that is our zebra here. So what zebra is doing in this whole idea of cell cycle phases? Let's see now the third sentence for meiosis, because in meiosis all the stages of cell cycle occurs twice, that is 2 prophase, 2 metaphase, 2 anaphase and 2 telophase. Now for this meiosis, the first or primary prophase contains 5 different sub stages. So this sentence, the second sentence, the third sentence that we're talking about regarding the zebra, it's actually about that prophase in meiosis, because prophase in meiosis will require 5 sub stages, and let's talk about them. L for the prophase 1, the first stage is liptotin, then Z for zygotin phase, then P for pachytin, then D for diplotin, and the last D for diakinesis. And that gives you the total sentence: lonely zebra playing with double dogs. Although very weird, zebra never plays with dogs, but hey, what's the problem? That's really helpful to remember all this idea, right? Lonely zebra playing with double dogs. So liptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and diakinesis. So that's all. 3 sentences and you're done with cell cycle phases, not only mitosis but also meiosis, the prophase 1, as well as the interphase sections. So hands up. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, please share this video with your friends, and subscribe to get more and more mnemonics video to make your life science easier. Thank you.